Okay, I'm here now at the Analytical Science and Technology Group booth. I got Zig Mueller, and he brought a whole slew of people. Rick Pappleworth, why don't you introduce the rest of the team, Zig?
Sure. All the way over here, we've got Ethan Rask from our engineering group. We've got Caleb McCrae, he's the head of our product engineering and development. Brenna Brees, the head of our project execution group. And as everybody already knows, Rick Pappleworth, the president of AST.
Very good. And give us a rundown on what the jerseys are and the significance of the numbers.
Absolutely. So we rebranded this year, so we're really happy to bring Analytical Science and Technologies to ASTG. It's a whole lot easier to spell and say. And everybody gets a number. It's actually the year you joined the group. So I got 01.
There you go. All right, first question for you. So there's a lot of things going on out there in the CO2 world. Sources coming offline, alternative sources being used. Talk about your role as a company and how you support companies that are out there.
Absolutely.
Experiencing.
Yeah, as everybody is well aware, the CO2 industry has shifted significantly. Supply chain has been impacted specifically around head pressures with carbon capture, sequestration, the CHIPS Act, ISRA Act, all those things that are taking the traditional CO2 molecules offline. So now alternative sources are really becoming viable supply partners in the CO2 supply chain.
Awesome. And what types of products do you guys offer to ensure quality in the beverage gases?
Yeah, so these are different than any other molecules we've had to test before. They have to be tested under a higher level of scrutiny, a higher level of science. So the air breather is actually a platform that's set up to do these alternative sources now.
Awesome. Last question for you. Talk about the value that you guys bring as a company.
Sure. This company has been around for almost 22 years, 23 years now. And we come from the gases industry. We've got a very deep bench of engineering and analytical support specifically around the gas industry. So that's something that really can't be understated, the importance that we bring to our partners, our customers.
It's awesome. All right, well, that's a quick update here from ASTG. Thank you, Sig, for everything that you guys do throughout the year. And we always like to see you here at the shows.
We love coming.